Good day! I will give extra lesson today, but before that, kindly follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you! Let's have grade 8 mathematics and let us talk about simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Before we simplify a given rational algebraic expressions, let's have the definition of terms. First, rational number, it is a ratio of two real numbers. When we said algebraic expression, it is a variable, a constant, or a combination of two which may be related to any of the four fundamental operations. What are the four fundamental operations? And those operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. When we said variable, it is the letter, and when we said constant, it is a number. Ratio means comparison of two or more quantities. Thus, a quotient of two algebraic expression is called rational algebraic expression, where both the numerator and the denominator are polynomials. So when we said rational algebraic expression, it is a fraction wherein the given terms are not only a number but a polynomial. So let's have an example on how to simplify a given rational algebraic expression. The given rational algebraic expression is x to the fourth over x. So when we simplify this given rational expression, the first step is to write or to expand the given term. So paano ba natin to i-expand? So since the exponent of x on the numerator is 4, isusulat lang natin yung letter x 4 times, and then yung denominator is only 1. So, isusulat lang natin yung letter x ng isang beses. So, ganito yung kalalabasan niya. X times x times x times x over x. And then, kapag na-expand na natin ang given expression, i-pair lang natin ang numerator at denominator by means of cancelling. So, magka-cancel tayo ng isang x sa numerator, and then ipapares natin siya sa isang x ng denominator. Now, wala na tayong kailangang ipares na numerator sa denominator dahil na-cancel na yung nag-iisang x sa denominator. So, kailangan na nating ayusin ang mga natirang letter x. So, ganito yung kalalabasan, x cubed over 1. Paano naging x cubed? Ito ay dahil may natirang tatlong variable x doon sa ating solution, and then sinimplify lang natin, ginawang x cubed, and then over 1 dahil walang natirang variable sa denominator, so nilagyan na lang natin ng 1 as denominator. And then you will just divide x cubed by 1, so the final answer is x cubed. And that is the simplified term of x to the fourth over x. Let's have another example. A to the fourth b squared over 3a squared b cubed. So, ganun lang din ang gagawin natin. I-expand natin yung given variables and constant. So, since ang nasa numerator, ang variable a ay may exponent na 4 times nating isusulat yung a. And then yung b may exponent na 2, so dalawang beses nating isusulat yung variable b. And then sa denominator, kung makikita nyo, meron tayong constant na 3, susulat lang natin yon. And then yung yung a, dalawang beses nating isusulat, and then yung b is 3 times or thrice. So ganito yung kalalabasan niya. A times A times A times A times B times B. Again, 4 na beses yung A dahil 4 ang exponent dito, and then dalawang beses ang B dahil 2 ang exponent ng B sa numerator. And then sulat lang natin sa denominator yung 3 na constant, dalawang beses ang A, and then 3 beses yung B. Ngayon, kapag na-expand na natin, proceed tayo sa cancelling, or ipapares natin yung variable o yung magkatulad na variable or constant sa numerator at denominator. Question: bakit tayo agad nag-proceed sa letter A kahit may letter B pa sa baba or sa denominator. Ito ay dahil ang B na ito ay wala nang kapares sa taas. So, proceed tayo sa A. Okay. Ayan. So, stop din tayo dun sa A dahil wala nang kapares ang dalawang A ng numerator sa denominator. So, ano na lang yung mga natira? Dalawang A sa numerator and then the number 3 and the letter B on the denominator. So, pagtatabihin lang natin yung dalawang denominator and then yung A at A, gagawin lang natin into term. So, lagyan natin ng exponent. So, the final answer is A squared dahil dalawang A ang natira. So, the exponent is 2 over 3B. Pinagtabi lang natin yung 3 at B. Let's have another example. The given rational algebraic expression is 18x cubed over 12x. Kung kanina, madali lang tayong nag-expand ng algebraic expression dahil ang given lamang ay variable na kung saan pinag-isa-isa lang nating isulat ang letter. So ngayon, may nakikita na kayong dalawang constant and those are the number 18 and 12. Paano ba tayo mag-expand ng isang constant? So, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin ang given constant sa very least number bukod sa 1 and those are, it's either 2, 3. So, ngayon, i-divide natin yung constant sa 2 or 3 hanggang sa hindi na natin kayang i-divide. And then, kailangan yung mga numbers na yun, kapag minultiply, ang sagot dapat ay yung given constant, which is yung 18 at yung 12. So, ganito dapat yung kalalabasan ng inyong expanded form. 3 times 3 times 2 times yung tatlong x over 3 times 2 times 2 and then isulat natin yung nag-iisang variable x sa denominator. Now, let us double check if the answer or our factors are correct. 3 times 3, 9 times 2, that is 18. 3 times 2 is 6 times 2, that is 12. Okay, proceed na tayo sa cancelling. Ipares na natin ang variable o ang constant ng numerator sa denominator. So, let us cancel the letter x or 1x on the numerator and then i-pair natin siya sa isang x ng denominator. Stop na tayo doon dahil kahit mayroong dalawang variable x sa numerator, wala na tayong kayang i-pair sa denominator. So, proceed na tayo sa constant. Let us cancel constant 2 on the numerator and then ipares natin siya sa isang 2 ng denominator. And then proceed na tayo sa 3 ng numerator and 3 ng denominator. Now, pagsamahin na natin yung mga natira na constant at variables and those are yung sa numerator 3 and then dalawang x and then sa denominator that is 2. So, the final answer is 3x squared over 2. Again, paano naging squared yung variable x dito? Ito ay dahil dalawang variable x ang natira sa ating solution, so therefore the exponent is 2. And then, kinopya lang natin yung constant or pinagtabi lang natin sila, ganun din sa denominator. Another example, 75a cubed b squared over negative 5a b to the 4th power. Kung masyadong malaki ang constant, bibigyan ko kayo ng technique. Ang gagawin lang natin, i-divide natin yung dalawang constant. And those are 75 divided by negative 5. After nyong i-divide, iyon na yung ilalagay nyo sa final answer. And then, ang shortcut naman in dividing or simplifying the variable, kung mapapansin nyo, ang a dito ay walang exponent. So, ang exponent noon ay 1. And then, ang gagawin natin sa a cube at sa a1 or a raised to 1, ima-minus lang natin yung 3 sa 1. Kokopyahin lang natin yung variable na a and then minus ang 3 and 1. Ganon din ang gagawin natin sa b squared at b to the 4th power. So, ano yung magiging kalalabasan ng ating answer? 75 divided by 5 is 15. The 75 is positive and 5 is negative. Different sign, therefore the answer must be negative. And then, 3 na exponent ng a minus 1 is 2. Inilagay natin ang a squared sa numerator dahil mas malaki ang exponent na 3 kaysa sa 1. And then, inilagay naman natin sa denominator ang b squared na sagot sa 4 minus 2 dahil ang 4 ay mas malaki sa 2. So, ganito ang shortcut method kung ayaw nyo nang mag-expand or gamitin yung expanded form. Again, divide the constants. Kung hindi kayang i-divide, get the lowest term. And then subtract the exponent of the numerator to the denominator. Kung saan yung may pinakamalaking o mas malaking exponent, doon nyo ilalagay ang answer. Okay, kanina, ang mga given examples natin ay isang uri lamang ng monomial, which consists of one term only. So ngayon, paano kung ang given algebraic expression ay katulad nito? Kung mapapansin nyo, meron na tayong maraming terms. And that is called as polynomial. So we have the given x plus 5 times x plus 3 over x plus 3 times x minus 9. So hindi na natin yan kailangang i-expand since wala tayong nakikitang exponent na 2 or more than 2. Okay, ang gagawin na lang natin ay i-cancel o hanapin ano yung magkapares ng numerator at denominator. And that is x plus 3. So, i-cancel natin ang x plus 3 ng numerator at ang x plus 3 ng denominator. And now, we will just write the final answer. The final answer, or the simplified term of this algebraic expression is x plus 5 over x minus 9. Another example, x to the fourth power minus 1 over x squared plus 1 times x minus 1. Again, ang goal natin ay kailangang may makancel tayo sa numerator at sa denominator. Wala pa tayong nakikitang magkatulad na terms sa numerator at denominator. So, ang gagawin natin, i-factor muna natin yung x to the fourth power minus 1. So, ang factor ng given numerator ay x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 1. Because when we multiply these given two binomials, the answer is x to the fourth power minus 1. X squared times x squared is x to the fourth because 2 plus 2 is 4. And then when we multiply negative 1 and positive 1, the answer is negative 1. Ngayon, kinopya lang natin yung denominator, x squared plus 1 times x minus 1. Meron na tayong nakikitang magkapares sa numerator at denominator. So, i-cancel na natin ang x squared plus 1 ng numerator at ng denominator. So, the final answer is x squared minus 1 over x minus 1. Hindi natin kayang i-cancel ang x squared minus 1 at x minus 1 dahil magkaiba sila ng exponent. And that is the answer. Let's have another one. 4x cubed minus 6x squared over 2x. Ang gagawin natin is to find the factors of the numerator. Ano yung common factor ng 4x cubed at negative 6x squared? Since ang 4 at ang 6 ay kayang i-divide sa 2, iyon yung common factor ng constant. And then, maglalagay lang tayo ng variable x, tapos lalagyan natin ng exponent. So, ang common factors o ang factors ng 4x cubed minus 6x squared is 2x squared times 2x minus 3. Paano naging 2x squared ang common factor ng dalawang terms? Again, since ang 4 at ang 6 ay kayang i-divide sa 2, that is the common factor ng dalawang number. And then, kinopya lang natin yung x squared ng negative 6x squared dahil ito ang common factor ng x squared at x cubed. Next, let us double check if these factors are correct. 2 times 2 is 4. X squared times x is x cubed. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. X squared times 1 is x squared. So, tama na yung factors natin and then we will just copy the denominator which is 2x. Now, let us now simplify this given. Ang mangyayari sa 2x squared will be 2x times x. Pinaghiwalay natin yung dalawang variable x dahil ang factor na ito ay may exponent na 2. And then, kopyahin natin yung 2x minus 3. Ganon din yung denominator na 2x. Ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, meron na tayong common factors sa numerator at denominator. So, i-cancel natin ang 2x ng numerator at 2x ng denominator. And then, the final answer is x times the quantity of 2x minus 3. What if the given rational algebraic expression is like this? X squared plus 2x minus 8 over x minus 2. Ang denominator natin na x minus 2 is binomial, and then ang numerator ay trinomial since meron silang tatlong terms. So, paano ba natin isi-simplify ang given rational algebraic expression na ito? Again, ang goal natin ay makancel ang denominator or kailangan ang denominator na x minus 2 ay may katulad sa numerator. So, ang gagawin natin is to factor the numerator. Paano ba natin na-factor yung x squared plus 2x minus 8? Hahanapin natin yung dalawang number na kapag minultiply ay 8 at kapag naman pinag-plus o pinag-minus ay equal sa 2, which is yung nasa middle term. So, let's draw a table. Isulat natin sa taas ang 8 o yung last term. Huwag muna nating ilagay yung negative sign. And then, let us divide 8 by 1. The answer is 8. 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. Hindi na natin isusulat yung 4 and 2 dito dahil katulad lamang siya ng 2 at 4. Okay, ano yung dalawang number na kapag minultiply ay 8 at kapag naman pinag-plus o pinag-minus ang equal ay 2? Okay, those numbers are 2 and 4. Ima-minus natin ang 4 sa 2 dahil ang sign ng 8 dito ay negative, and then kailangan ang sign ng bigger number ay positive dahil positive ang sign ng middle dito. So ngayon, gagawin natin, isusulat natin yung 2, lalagyan natin ng x, and then ganun din yung 4. Tapos, yung sign dapat ng 2 ay negative at ang sign ng 4 ay positive. Bakit naging positive ang 4? Because ang goal natin ay mahanap natin ang isang number o malaking number at gagawin nating positive, and then negative ang isang number dahil ang last term ay negative. So, ganito na yung kalalabasan niya. Ang factors ng x squared plus 2x minus 8 is, or are, x minus 2, galing dito, and then x plus 4. Negative ang 2, positive ang 4. Negative 2 times positive 4 is negative 8. Negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2. And then, i-bring down lang natin yung negative 2. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron na tayong common factors sa numerator at denominator, so i-cancel lang natin ang x minus 2 ng numerator, ganun din ang denominator. So, the final answer is x plus 4. Let's have the last example. The given algebraic expression is 2x plus 4 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. Ang numerator ay binomial at ang denominator ay trinomial. Let us find the factors first of the numerator. 2x plus 4. Since we can divide 2 and 4 by 2, iyon yung common factor nila. And then, kopyahin lang natin yung variable x. And then, ano ba yung factors ng x squared plus 5x plus 6? Gagawa tayo ng table. Isulat natin sa taas ang last term which is positive 6. And then, hanapin natin yung factors ng 6 na kung saan ang sagot dapat sa middle term o kapag pinag-plus ay 5. 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, sa given trinomial natin, kung mapapansin nyo, parehong positive ang symbol o ang sign ng ating equation or ng ating trinomial. So, kailangan ang sign ng dalawang number ay positive. Dalawang numbers na kapag minultiply ay 6 at kapag pinag-plus ay 5. So, the answers are 2 and 3. because 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So, isusulat lang natin yon sa denominator. Lalagyan lang natin ng positive sign ng 2, ganun din ng 3, and then lalagyan natin ng variable x. So, ganito yung magiging solution natin. Again, since ang common factor ng 2 at 4 ay 2, ilagay natin yun sa labas. So, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 2 is positive 4. The denominator is or will become x plus 3, ito yon, and then x plus 2, iyon yon. Or pwedeng maging x plus 2 times x plus 3. Tulad lang yon. Okay, so mapapansin nyo meron ng common factor ang numerator at denominator. So let us cancel x plus 2 of the numerator and the x plus 2 of the denominator. So ang natira na lamang ay ang 2 at ang x plus 3 ng denominator. So the final answer is the final answer is 2 over x plus 3. Let us now summarize what we have learned in this lesson. Simplifying rational algebraic expression is the same as simplifying rational numbers. Both uses the concept of factoring, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Factoring out and canceling the GCF among numbers is used in rational numbers, while factoring out and canceling the common polynomial factors for rational algebraic expression. At dyan na nagtatapos ang aking tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Enjoy learning mathematics. God bless us all!